In this video, we're going to talk about how to become a positive role model. But what does that even mean? A positive role model is someone that others want to imitate and follow. When we are young and growing up, typically there is an older person we admire and cherish for many reasons. Positive role models are important because they set examples for people to observe and pattern positive behaviors from. As people increase positive behaviors, they also increase their feelings of self-worth. Modeling behaviors from positive role models can also help people build morals and positive values, teach them to set attainable goals, and provide direction in achieving those goals. Most importantly, positive role models provide hope and examples to prove that dreams and goals can be fulfilled. Having role models in our life is very important. And having good role models is more important as they influence what they do and how we turn out eventually. Positive role models influence our actions and motivate us to strive to uncover our true potentials and overcome our weaknesses. Having them pushes us to make the most of our life. When we are growing up, it is important to think about who are our role models and evaluate them. Is that what I aspire to be for the rest of my life? Even when I am old? If I follow this path, will my life be better? Will I have a positive future? Evaluate whether that's taking you to a good or a bad place, and also think about those who will follow you. Will you be a good role model for them? Here are some tips on how to become a positive role model. Look in the mirror. It starts from within. The best way to be a role model is to work on yourself first. Ask yourself what qualities and traits you already possess and what qualities you hope to work on. 2. Believe in yourself. It is also important to believe in your brilliance and potential through focusing on the positives. As a positive role model, it is important to identify the positive about yourself that makes you unique. Be confident in who you are and what you want to represent. 3. Walk the talk. The core of this idea is to be the change you want to see in your surroundings. In other words, tackle your own behavior first. Have a positive attitude and outlook. Ensure that your words and actions are consistent. 4. Be respectful. Treat others the way you would like to be treated. This is an important life skill to remember and strengthens our positive qualities, because the politeness in our actions will transform us to better people. 5. Surround yourself with positive people. If you surround yourself with positive people that brings out the best in you and encourages you to be the best version of yourself, you will be the best version of yourself. Don't forget that you can be whoever you want to be. You just have to believe in yourself.